All right, we're going over the Soy-Based Rage again. Again, I had recorded and uploaded it, but it failed to upload, and then I deleted my original recording. That's why all the math is done already, so I'm sorry. Technology is just the way it is sometimes. So what do we got here? We got the total number of students at all CCA schools can be modeled the equation blah, 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 or X is the number of students since 2001. In what year were there 2193 students? Okay, so I think what I did, if I recall, is I just used this equation and I guessed X until I got the number 2193. So as you can see, I kind of set this up right here and I solved it, but here's what I did. I got to find the right number. I already found 5. I got to find the number that goes here that can make this. So again, I'm guessing and checking. Not a great skill once we learn some more advanced skills. Why am I graphing stuff? Go away. So I'm just going to save you some time. I guessed and checked. I think I guessed, pretty sure I guessed the number 5 plus 1868. Hey, there we go. I got it. All right, now I didn't do that. I did it earlier, so don't be impressed. That wasn't my first guess. I think I did like 7 or 8, and then I backtracked. Anyway, so 5 is the correct number. So my solution is X equals 5. But now once I find my solution to the equation, I still need to answer the question. It says X is the number of years since 2001. So if I'm 5 years since 2001, I'm actually at the year 2006. So I got to add 5 to that, okay, because this would be year 0, okay? 2001 would be year 0, so 5 years later would get you to year 2006, okay? Like I did in the Outraged Grover, I'm going to go ahead and spoil it for you. Here's what we're going to do in the future. Looks like my pen writing was awful. I was just getting ahead of myself. Kind of get excited when I could show you stuff from the future. I like to foreshadow things. Gets me a little jazzed. So if I were just to solve for X, I wonder if I can find 5. Yeah. What is all of this noise? Well, I'm solving for X, so I'm removing all of the numbers around X with math. And then I'm following one simple rule. Whatever I do to the left side, I got to do the right side. So to get rid of a positive 1868, I just subtract 1868. I did it on the left, I do it on the right. Rewrite. I got a 65 times X. How do I get rid of a times? I divide. These would cancel, just like these would cancel. So X is all by itself. 325 divided by 65 is 5. Oh, nice. I got the answer. The same thing I guessed and checked, I found by 1-step, 2-step solving skills. Again, we'll do a lot of this in the future, but I like to foreshadow it right now. So again, the tricky one about the Soy-Based Rage, smiley face, because I think the first time I read this, it made me laugh a little bit. It's kind of a funny name. Anyway, where was that? Oh, yeah, so make sure you find the solution, and then you actually answer the question. There's 2 parts to math. There's the physical, there's the cold, hard physical solving, but then there's also the intellectual using your brain. Well, what's the answer to the question? That usually involves a label on top of it. Okay, you label the question, and then you just answer the question. Years since 2001, 2001 plus 5, 2006. Okay, that's the Soy-Based Rage.